Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use crypto bots on Telegram. First, you'll need a Telegram account and a cryptocurrency exchange account. These bots automate trading, helping you manage your digital assets more efficiently. They can execute trades based on your chosen strategies, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This allows you to capitalize on market movements even when you are offline, potentially saving you significant time and effort. To begin, search for a reliable crypto bot directly within Telegram. Once you've selected one, the next crucial step is connecting it to your cryptocurrency exchange. This is done using API keys, which act as a secure bridge. Remember to grant only trading permissions to the API key, never withdrawal access, to protect your funds. This setup typically takes just a few minutes. Now let's configure your trading strategy. You can choose from various approaches like dollar cost averaging, where the bot buys small amounts regularly, or grid trading, which places multiple buy and sell orders. Set clear entry and exit points, along with stop-loss limits to protect your capital. Also, define profit targets to automatically secure your gains, aiming for 20% return or more. Finally, continuous monitoring and optimization are key to success. Regularly check your bot's performance and adapt its settings as market conditions change. Reviewing trade logs can provide valuable insights into what's working and what isn't. Start with a small, manageable investment, perhaps $50 to $100, to test your strategy before committing larger amounts. This iterative process helps refine your bot's effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.